Hello citizens from Hot Wheels City. Today I'm going to open two Hot Wheels Stunt Tracks 5-packs. These 10 cars are ready to do daring stunts in fun Hot Wheels racing tournaments. So let's start off with this first pack. And then the second pack. Okay, since I got all 10 cars out of their packs, I think we should start with the first car, the Revro Rod. This car was first released in 2014 during the Team Hot Wheels movie. Even though it's a cartoon, this Revro Rod has been released at the same time as the Team Hot Wheels The Origin of Awesome. Although this car is still there today, like this livery, it is a very cool car. Even though it has the cloud engine, this car could fart purple cloud to make orange tracks, which is kind of weird, but it is a cool casting. The second car I'm going to show you is Torque Twister. Now, this is one of my favorite Hot Wheels castings, along with Twin Wheel 3. I've been bond with this car for over 12 years. I think since 2014, but even though Torque Twister has a similar color to blue, which is turquoise, but for the first time, Torque Twister has raw 6 wheels. Well, I don't know, but it looks absolutely amazing. The third car is Laasta that is released in 2009. It is Sofia Speed's car since 2022. It is one of the cars that looks Italian-styled sports cars based on De Tomaso Pantera. And it has number 7 and yellow Aerodisc rims. Even though the rear wheels touching the fenders of the car, I'm not sure if this car could be the fastest, but I think if Mattel could fix that, it'll be great. The fourth Hot Wheels car from Stunt Tracks is Scubatifi Fuego, or English known as the Fire Scoop, which this is the only known Hot Wheels car to have been designed by Mauricio Bedolla, who mainly worked on Matchbox vehicles. Although this is a Italian-styled supercar, I've never obtained this car for many years, although I had the first one from 2016, but I'm glad that I have the another one, which this car looks absolutely super, isn't he? The fifth car from the Hot Wheels Stunt Tracks is Lightning Bug. Yeah, I had this car in 3 variations. The first debut was the X-Racers 2022 with the glow-in-the-dark feature designed by Lance Lee. It is one of the cars I do have in 3 variations. The 2022 new model, 2024 5-pack track builder, and this green livery, which looks amazing. It is a far futuristic buggy, which looks electric. Alright. The 6th Hot Wheels car from Stunt Tracks is another ready like Revro Rod. This is Highbeam. This car was a new model of 2018 that was designed by Alvin Chan. Although this is a slightly futuristic compact rally car, which looks pretty amazing. Although it has a nice wing, 4 headlamps at the front, 2 real headlights, and a nice futuristic taillight. And it has 3 exhaust pipes. Although it has a number 5, which looks sliced, and also it races from Team Toto. I don't know what that is, but it is a fictional sponsor or something. Then it has blue shiny chrome rims and orange tires, which looks amazing. I love it. The 7th car is the 2018 new model, just like Highbeam, is Electra, this time from X-Racers. Although this car has a transparent magenta color and a transparent smoke color, this car is a great track star. Although I have the 2018 version here, but I'm not going to show you to you because I already showed you in the Advent Calendar series. It has number 1 and some triangular livery it has a lot of triangles on the side of the vehicle. It has chrome green rims, which looks amazing. I love it. The eighth car from Stunt Tracks is a transparent blue electric sports car, is Linster Prototype. Also designed from Lindsay Lee, the same designer who designed the Lightning Bug. And I think she's one of the most gorgeous Hot Wheels cars of the 2020s. Even though the rear wheels are hidden in the back, it is debuted in 2020 X Racers, and she still uses the transparent body, which is kind of common for a Linster Prototype, but it is a great drag star. Yeah, it's lucky that the Linster Prototype had the same release in a Stunt Track, same as Torque Twister, but in different 5-packs, so. The ninth car from Stunt Tracks is the Exotic. The name is French for exotic. It is designed by Dmitry Shakhmatov, and it's one of the 2018 cars, same as Electra and Highbeam. You know, Exotic is one of my favorite exotic cars from 2018, and it looks amazing. Although I love the Exotic from the 2021 multipack exclusive, although I have the purple one, which looks amazing. However, the 2025 black version looks absolutely amazing. Although it has the magenta Trap 5 wheels and a purple base, which still has the Trackstar logo on the base, which shows you that this is the great car for orange tracks. I kind of love the aggressive details on this car. Amazing. And finally, the 10th and the final Hot Wheels Stunt Track car is Hot Wheels 4-Track. If you don't know what Hot Wheels 4-Track is, it is a futuristic open-wheel single-seat race car. The casting's name is phonetic spelling of sorts of Hot Wheels 4-Track. Get it? Because Hot Wheels 4-Track. Get it? And also it's designed by Kevin Cowell, and it is a new model of 2023. Although we don't have the livery on top of the vehicle, only on sides. Although it has the number 4 on the spoiler, it looks absolutely great. Although the lime green and the white front, it looks absolutely limey. You know what I mean? Because this car is lime. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll be seeing you later on Orange Tracks. Thanks for watching. Bye.